Pooja Castings Private Limited is an organization whose mission is to remain the first choice for aluminium die casting for all customers who are looking for quality, consistency and a long-term relationship. Pooja Castings, established in 1987, having the legacy of 36 good years, is a leading manufacturer of aluminium castings by high-pressure die casting, low-pressure die casting and gravity die casting process for manufacturing multiple application aluminium components for various sectors. The company's vision is to develop a comprehensive business reaching domestic as well as global markets through excellence in product and process development. To cater to the increasing demand for their products, the company operates 2 units, both located in Chakan, Pune. The units are located less than an hour's drive from the Pune International Airport and barely a couple of hours' drive from Mumbai, the pulsating business hub of India. The credibility that Pooja Castings has earned is due to its consistency and reliability in quality and delivery of the parts manufactured. This credibility has invariably resulted in long-term relationships as well as Pooja Castings being the single source for 90% of the products supplied by it. These products find application in diverse sectors like auto, power transmission, agriculture, infrastructure, energy, defense and e-mobility. The products are manufactured in systems that are certified by ISO 9001:2015 as well as IATF 16949:2016 by TUV Nord. The setup required for manufacturing good quality gravity die casting products is available in-house at Pooja Castings. The setup includes tool room, core shooter, melting, high pressure die casting, low pressure die casting, gravity die casting, heat treatment, thermal decoring, shot blasting, CNC, VMC, HMC machines, metal impregnation, sub-assembly, leakage testing and high-pressure washing. Pooja Castings has installed digital X-ray testing machine, automatic helium leak testing machine and the digital microscope to enhance the first-time right component development. In the tool room, there is a dedicated die machining and fixture manufacturing facility in-house. For die designing, there is dedicated design facility with the latest 3D modeling softwares like Unigraphics and CAM softwares like Delcam. And for fixture designing, there is dedicated design facility with latest software like SolidWorks. Simulation of the design is done by using AdStefan and SolidCam software. The company has inbuilt developing capacity of 25 tools per month. In the core shop, Pooja Castings has PLC-controlled, hydraulically and pneumatically operated shell core shooter machines. The current capacity of making shell cores is 6,000 tons per annum and the proposed capacity is of 9,500 tons per annum. In the melting section, there is a melting furnace with auto charging and excellent temperature control along with continuous degassing facility. The present melting capacity is 12,000 tons per annum. In the casting section, there is a PLC-controlled 32 numbers of GDC machine, which can be used as a tilting, horizontal and vertical machine. Currently, castings up to 1500 mm length and 150 kg weight are manufactured on the machines. In the heat treatment facility, there is a PLC-controlled drop bottom solution and precipitation furnace with a capacity of 1.5 ton per heat each. The thermal decoring process involves a pit-type decoring furnace. The present capacity of decoring is 6,500 tons per annum and the proposed capacity is of 9,000 tons per annum. To improve the aesthetic look of the casting, there is an in-house hanger-type stainless steel shot blasting machine. This machine has a capacity of 500 kg per cycle. The vibro finishing setup is also used for improving the surface texture of products used for electrical applications. The dedicated machining setup at Pooja Castings includes 46 numbers of vertical machining centers of BFW, AMS and Hartford brands, 1 CNC machine and 2 Mazak and BFW make HMC machines. A tool presetter is deployed for accurate tool setting. Plans are on the anvil to expand the setup to 70 vertical machining centers and 5 horizontal machining centers in the near future. The centrifugal metal impregnation plant is of Ultra Seal make. It has a capacity of 1.5 tons per heat. The polyfunctional PC504 is used as a sealant for impregnation. A semi-automatic sub-assembly machine with load cell is used for pressing bought-out parts in the machined casting, and there is a semi-automatic PLC-controlled dry type and wet type leakage testing machine for ensuring a leak-proof product. Automatic high-pressure ultrasonic washing machine is installed to maintain the millipore value of the product. Semi-automatic QR code sparking machine are being installed for casting traceability. To ensure that a quality product is delivered to the customer every time, several high-tech and latest inspection facilities are being installed in-house. In the foundry lab, there is a spectrometer, sand testing equipments, sample preparation unit, porosity analyzer, conductivity meter, hardness tester, and bore scope. For machining inspection, there is a Zeiss coordinate measuring machine, a surface testing machine, Trimos, digital height gauge, process gauges, air gauges, and component-specific relation gauges. Pooja Castings has a 3D scanning machine for improving the accuracy of layout inspection, inspection of toolings, and acquiring a capability for the reverse engineering. For the cleanliness of the components as per the requirement of the customer, a millipore lab is being installed to inspect the cleanliness of the castings. With such precision-driven, high-quality, high-tech operations carried out in state-of-the-art manufacturing units, it is not surprising that the customer list of Pooja Castings reads like a who's who of the industry. The company's wide customer base includes Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Mahindra Electric, Hero Motor Corp, Bajaj Auto, SML Isuzu, Padmini VNA Mechatronics, Swaraj Engines, Siemens Energy, Siemens Berlin, Hyosung, Bhel, Toshiba, Crompton Greaves, Emerson, Hyosung, Medha Traction, Medha Servo Control, Hitachi Energy, Dorman Products USA, among others. Pooja Castings is working on various drives and has kept the target of carbon neutral manufacturing by 2039-40. The growth of Pooja Castings has been impressive and the outlook is encouraging. Sales have grown from $5 million in 2015-2016 to $26 million in 2024-2025. The target for 2031-2032 is $132 million. Pooja Casting is working towards making a world-class, environment-friendly, fully automatic setup of foundry and machine shop for exports and mass production. The setup will be ready for production by September 2025. This setup will add melting capacity of 9,000 tons per annum. To support the Make in India drive and for readiness of future disruptive technological challenges, Pooja Castings is working on technology like magnesium die casting. Separate setup for magnesium die casting will be ready for production by August 2025. Earnest efforts are on to make Pooja Castings a smart and digital organization. Under Industry 4.0, it is working on various digitization software using IoT as a tool. Cloud-based ERP systems are also being developed to ensure paper-free working and better data-based decision-making. But the real asset of Pooja Casting is the dedicated and committed team under the young and dynamic leadership of Mr. Sanket Kulkarni as Managing Director. Keeping the vision and mission of the company uppermost in their minds, the enthusiastic and industrious team members know that the journey is long and arduous because discerning, quality-conscious and astute clients will keep them on their toes. For this team headed by the chairman, Mr. Anil Kulkarni, work is worship, and the core values they follow are honor commitments, focus on customer satisfaction, system-based working and data-based decision-making, continual improvement and respect for every individual. That is why Pooja Castings Private Limited is on the right path of achieving its purpose of being a part of the customer's success by understanding and fulfilling their current and future needs.